Welcome to our guide on starting a business selling DIY craft kits. We'll explore essential resources to help you succeed in this creative venture. First, let's dive into some must-read books. The Handmade Marketplace by Kari Chapin offers practical advice on pricing, marketing, and selling your crafts. Next, Crafting a Business by Miriam Morris provides a step-by-step guide to product development, branding, and marketing your craft business. For visual learners, check out YouTube videos like Jennifer Priest's How to Start a Craft Business. These videos cover everything from pricing to marketing. Podcasts are another great resource. Craft a Life You Love features interviews with successful crafters, offering valuable insights and tips. Online courses can provide structured learning. Udemy's Start a Craft Business covers the basics, including product development and selling both online and in person. Don't forget about useful websites like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon. These platforms offer tools and resources for marketing and selling your DIY craft kits. Thank you for watching. With these resources, you're well on your way to starting a successful DIY craft kit business. Happy crafting!